Okay, gentlemen, very simply here, in example number 1, it just says to simplify these things. And of course, part of simplifying is reducing, always canceling out common factors on the top and the bottom. I'm going to break this one apart just to show you, again, what we're talking about. Remember, this is 7 times 5 over 7 times 6. And that rule earlier said that if I have two things on top being multiplied and two things on bottom being multiplied, I can separate it out so that it looks like this. 7 over 7, of course, is just 1. And so we're left with 5 over 6. Now, I'm not going to do that again, but I just wanted to show you how that related to what we were talking about in the intro. Okay? Now, B, this part right here. Guys, reduce the numbers. 2 goes into both of them, negative 2 over 5. Reduce the numbers, then reduce variables. I've got an x on top and an x on the bottom. They just cancel each other out, and I'm left with y. Now, earlier today, someone said, well, hey, can I pull that y out? Sure. This is negative 2/5 y. All right? And I reminded that class, and I'm going to remind you as well, remember when we were doing the slope-intercept form of an equation and we were graphing, if we got something like negative 3x over 2 minus 4, we'd never left the x on top, right? Because we wanted to see what the slope was. So we always pulled the x out. So this is the same as y is equal to negative 3 over 2 times 1x over 1, which is just x, right? If it's on the top, I can pull it out. If it's on the bottom, I have to leave it. Okay? Minus 4. Okay. Good job, guys, and I will see you at example 2.